So you might want to make your own website, but you don't know how to make it. Now you may search how to make a website, and these all pop up. This is WordPress.com, CodeAcademy.com. Then most of these will be Wix and these all website builders. But these website builders are commercial. They offer a free plan and then you can't make a professional website for yourself. So to make a professional website, you just need a laptop and a software, which is VS Code, and you have to code your own website. Now you might say that coding is so hard. I don't know how to code. How can I learn? But the answer is it's simple. It's pretty easy to learn. So now to download VS Code, you search VS Code, and then just go on the site, and then you can download the stable build for Windows and install it. You just have to choose the path, then select all you have to select agree their license agreement. Then you just have to select the path where to save it, and then just tick all the checkboxes and then continue to install. Okay. Now what you have to do is to create a new folder. So to create a new folder, you just have to go to the path where your VS Code is saved, and you just have to create a new folder anywhere you want. Okay, so I'm going to name it Tut, and then go inside the folder, and if you selected all the checkboxes while installing, then you should see this option. Just click on that option and your VS Code will open. Just you can close this. Now what you have to do is to install add-on. Just go to this plugin section and just search for live server. You will get this live server by Ritwik D. You just have to install this. What does this do? You will understand later. Okay, so let's go on. You just have to close this. Once your live server add-on is activated, you just have to click on this new file icon, and then for this video we're going to keep it as tut1.html. You can name it anyways, but this part you need to keep it as HTML. If you keep this, it can cause some error, so keep this. Okay, so now after doing this, you just have to give an exclamatory mark. Now what is Emmet abbreviation? So Emmet abbreviation gives you suggestions to complete your code, which is a very good feature of VS Code. That's why I like it. Then you just click enter. Then it generates auto code. So this is the basic HTML code, doc type HTML. So what does this tell? This tells the browser that it is an HTML file. Then the language, it sets the language as English, and this UTF, we will see it later when we need it, and the width and the viewport height. What is meta? We will also see that later when needed. Right now, you just have to focus on the title first. The title we should keep as Tut1. Now in the body, all the content will go in the body, and in the head, these meta tags and all the data of your backend data of your website will go over here. So in body, if I type hello, this is Srirang from proscientist. Okay, so now you just have to, if you're seeing the white dot over here, that means that is not saved. You just have to press Ctrl plus S. You just have to press Ctrl and S together, and then you might see a live server add-on over here. Just have to close this file, and then again open. Just have to wait for a second till this button appears. Or sometimes what might happen is that you will have to restart your VS Code because you have created a new file, so you might have to restart it. So now I have restarted my VS Code, and you will see this go live option. Just have to click on that go live option, and then it will open your browser. And as you can see, the title of the page is Tut1, and this is what we typed inside the body. Great, you made your first web page. So thank you for watching, and we'll meet in the next video.